You start angry now. Okay, I'm going. Sunny, what happened? What? Sunny Baba, what happened? Why are you so angry? No changes in Sunny. Sunny is very angry. Hi, baby. Baby forgot to talk, doesn't it? Baby don't know. Hi. Yeah, baby wants to talk to me. Good boy. Good boy. Yummy. Why? I removed the nest box. Angry. I removed the nest box. They're getting better now. I remove it. Look. Good boy. Baby is nearly untamed. He tried to bite me. Baby? Yeah, do you like it? Yes? Sunny likes it as well. Leave this. Baby, leave this. Eat a strawberry. Give me this piece of... Move. I'm scared. Stop it. Move, baby. Move. Oh. I remove it. Now, come here. Eat. Sunny, come here. Sunny bunny, come here. Yummy. Baby, try some. What happened? Why are you not eating? Why are you not eating? Like it? Sunny loves the strawberries. Yeah, baby said yes.